I'm Vanessa.
And I'm Nate.
And together we're Team Taylor with Berkshire Hathaway. Today we're at 12561 Nottingham Lane in beautiful Grass Valley, California. We're actually in the Sherwood Forest.
Sherwood Forest?
Yes.
Isn't that where Robin Hood lives?
It is, but this is actually the Sherwood Forest neighborhood. It's only a 5-minute drive to downtown Grass Valley or to shops such as Raley's and Target. It is a well-established, well-sought-after neighborhood of beautiful custom homes on nice-sized lots. Can't wait to show you guys. This home is gorgeous inside.
It is. You got vaulted ceilings, open beams, big windows, wood floors.
Tahoe vibe here, totally. I love that.
Yeah.
Wood fireplace?
Yeah, and that thing is vented to the primary bedroom, the kitchen, and the family room.
What? I've never heard of that.
It's very cool.
That's cool, so that'll help with your electric bills.
Definitely.
This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home at just under 2,600 square feet. We'd love to show you the rest.
Yeah,
Let's go.
Let's go. We've got remodeled bathroom here, soaking tub.
Very
skylight,
nice,
beautiful.
modern.
Got a bedroom here. Here's the primary bedroom right here.
Ooh, let's see it.
All right, check out this primary suite, honey.
It's very spacious and
It
lots
is.
of natural light. I love when there's a patio door in the primary. Ooh, this bathroom has been nicely remodeled.
Dual vanity, quartz countertops.
I love it.
Light fixtures.
And there's this extra bonus space with a seating area, and I could totally see a vanity here for getting ready in the mornings. And look at the shower.
Beautiful.
Whoa.
Got a skylight here.
Love the natural light. More natural light.
Oh my gosh, is that a hot tub right there?
What?
All right, you got
There's
your
a
own
hot tub?
entrance to the hot tub right here.
Here we are at the other side of the house. We've got the kitchen.
We've got another little dining room here with a skylight.
Wow, and another family room.
Beautiful, with a wet
This
bar.
is great.
Woo, check this out, honey.
There's even a coffee bar, a wet bar. That
This is
is
great.
authentic. Look at the brass rail.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
a sink, a mini fridge, granite countertop.
And look
I
out
could
the
see us
window
belling
there.
up at the bar. What is that?
Is that Dad's garage? I think there's a man cave out there. We should check it out. Oh, check this out, honey. Dad's garage. Woo! So we got a 3-car garage and a shop.
Oh my goodness.
70 CUDA, 34 street rod.
Wow. Do the
Beautiful,
cars come with
right?
it?
Well, call us and you'll find out.
The cars are pretty cool.
So what does this house not have?
That's a good question. It pretty much has everything, including RV parking and storage with hookups, this adorable she shed cottage.
We've got a weeping cherry tree with a water feature.
So relaxing sitting here, listening to the water.
It is, isn't it?
It
You
is.
sit here all day.
I could too.
We also have solar over here, and let's not forget we've got a nice little hot tub over in the corner.
The hot tub.
It's very private.
Lots of spaces to gather, fireplace over there, this deck for entertaining, barbecuing. Definitely could hang out here more.
Yeah, it's a nice home.
To see this home or any other homes in the area, or if you think about listing, please reach out. We'd love to connect.